Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Mew versus Mewtwo surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Mew versus Mewtwo surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to start by lining up the corners and giving my paper a nice fold down the middle. This way it kind of looks like a card. Next, I'm going to fold it one more time, giving it another nice fold down the middle. Now it kind of looks like a bookmark. When I open this up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way so I can open it up for a fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin over here with Mewtwo. So I'm going to begin by making the eye. So I'm just going to start by making a line that's just going to come back like this. And then we're going to make a line that's going to go over, and then it's going to connect up here. I'm going to make a small little oval shape in here for a pupil, and I'm just going to color most of it in. And then I'm going to make another line that goes right around here. Let's make a little curve for part of the eyebrow ridge. And then right here, let's make a line that's going to come up and then over for the nose. I'm going to curve this line up. And then just kind of show where the other eye would be, I'm going to bring this line up and kind of curve this line back for the head. Now for the ears, I'm going to bring this line up and then over. I'm going to bring this line down and in. Same thing here for this ear. We're going to bring this up and then down. And don't want to forget that little dot for the nose. Next, starting here, we're going to curve this line down. Then underneath the fold, I'm going to bring this line over and up. And we're going to bring this line over to here, leaving a little bit of space. Let's bring this line down, and then let's bring this line down. Then we're going to bring this line up and over for the shoulder. And then let's curve this line down. Let's make another line that's just going to curve down here. Then we're going to go up, over, and then down. And we can connect this. Then let's just bring this line down. Bring this line over. And we're going to bring this line over. And then we're going to add a little line here. And then a line here, just kind of show where the back of Mewtwo is. Next, over here, let's draw Mew. Now, to start off with Mew, let's begin with the eye. So we're going to give her that nice big eye. So let's just begin by making a big sad face like this. And then we're going to make a little curve at the bottom. Then we're going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to make a little black dot, but I'm going to leave just a little bit white in there. For the nose, I'm just going to bring a line that's going to come out and then down here. And then I'm going to bring this line up and then around here. We're going to make a little line here. Then we're going to make a line that curves up to a point and then down for the ear. And then another one that over here for the other ear. I'm going to curve this line down. And then I'm going to bring this line over. And then I'm going to bring this line over. For the neck, let's draw this line over here. And then I'm going to make a line that comes back for the arm. And then a little line that curves up here. Next, I'm going to just bring this line back for the body and a little line down here. Then I'm just going to put a little dot right here for the nose. Now our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now once we have this opened up, we have two halves of our Pokemon. We got Mewtwo and Mew. So let's begin over here by making Mewtwo. So I'm going to begin by drawing this line down here to connect it. And then I'm going to start over here by bringing this line down and then in. I'm going to bring this line up and in. Then I'm going to make a big line that's just going to come down to connect. Next, I'm going to make this line come over, and then we're going to bring this down and right to here. Then we're going to bring this line down to connect. And we're going to curve this line here. And then I'm going to make two lines that come back here just for part of that little part of Mewtwo that connects his head to his back or his shoulders. Now for Mew, let's bring this line in. And then we're going to bring this line down and then over to here. Then starting here, let's make a nice big smile. A little line here. And then we're just going to bring this line down at an angle, and then we're going to bring this up, since Mew's always happy. Then we're going to curve this line down. And then we're just going to bring this line down. Now, starting here, I'm going to make Mewtwo's hand, kind of like his arm is up here. So I'm going to make Mewtwo's hand. I'm just going to bring this line over, and I bring a little line over. I'm going to bring this up and over, and then down and over. We're going to make a little circle here, and then a little circle here. And we're going to curve this over and this over. Then right inside of here, I'm going to make this big kind of like pointed zigzag line in here to make it look kind of like one of Mewtwo's Pokemon blasts. And I'm going to put like a little kind of spiral shape in there. Then I'm going to make a circle with another line over here for one of Mewtwo's other fingers. Then over here, I'm going to make Mew's tail. I'm just going to kind of curve this line around here. Then I'm just going to kind of bring these lines back here. Then I'm going to make Mew's arm coming out here. Just a line with a couple little bumps. And then I'm going to make some kind of like wavy little curvy lines like this. Just to kind of show that like Mew is getting ready to do one of her attacks, maybe her Psy Shot or something. And then right here, I'm going to make Mewtwo's tail come up. So I'm going to make a big line that's just going to curve around to here. I'm going to make two lines that come back here for the tail. And there you go, there is your drawing of a Mewtwo versus Mew surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have the two Pokemon facing off, and then when you open it, they're getting ready to do battle. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.